put my money in the pocket, just in pocket. Hey, same hands on, just hands up. So I look on my way. So I give him took it here. My say and move to my like, what's going on, bro? I'm like, man, it ain't too much, man. You gotta walk out. Right. So I'm going to see what poking that was. I walk on the stage. Like, I'm like, so what poking? I don't know. I walk on the stage, walk toward the kitchen. When I walk to the kitchen, I look back, I see everybody walking behind. You already knew it was. Yeah, I knew it was. So first I got put my hand on the pocket. I turned around. Me and Kid face to face. Like, I looked him up and down. But I walked out like, well, they ain't somebody there. So I walked past, come in back of the head and grabbed him, threw me down. When he threw me down, I felt like going in the pocket, but the whole time my hands on, so I was holding the zip. And he was grabbing the pocket like he trying to get in. Right. And another person hit me in the face, boom. My eyes swelled up. Oh, God, fuck. But the whole time they keep grabbing him. I'm just walking through him. I'm really trying to run, but I can't run. They hold it. They more or less trying to take the money there. Yeah. But whoever the one, I know it was Carol, and it was somebody else in front of me. Carol put him back, and whoever put it away. They grabbed the money, but they wouldn't get it out the zip. Right. So, once that moved to ran over that phone, they find him, boom. We come out of the club. Blood J them out there. So Blood J like, what's going on? I look at Blood J like, man, bro, like, you know what's going on. Yeah, I walked out. You know what I'm saying? When I walked out, I looked back. They were there find Blood J. Boom. Who, carry them or carry them left. Yeah, moved to them find Blood J. So Blood J like, what's going on? So I look at night like, damn, bro, you down there? You look how I did that more. I just opened them up in the club like, right, what's going on? I've been trying to get Blood J and Thug rap together. Right. I've been trying to get Blood J get back in with them. Cause you cool with everybody. Same way Nut was cool with everybody. You cool with everybody. Except for D, they ain't care. You know what I'm saying? So they get fine doing. So we leave the club. We go down, where we went? We went to Thug house. We chillin' at Thug house. So next thing you know, they told everybody we jumped on Blood J. I might jump Blood J, you know what I'm saying? Right. And I showed him ain't touch it. Right. So the club on the car, he like, yeah, man, Woody wasn't wrong at all. He did. He like, Woody wasn't wrong. I seen him on camera. It was carrying him. Right. So Thug like, yeah, man, they stole so much money. Right. They were like, how much money was it? Thug like, I'm counting them. You know what I'm saying? But they were like, I replaced the money, man. Right. But the money was never missed. Right. So after that, it was like, boom. What happened after that?
What day was that fight?
Was that on a Monday? It was every time it was on Monday. Yeah. So I don't know. I know after that, Nut got killed. When Nut got killed, I came out here and talked to the step because, like always, I just blame everything. I can't show my face. So after Nut got killed, I came out here and talked to the step. So when I left, I was asking everybody like, should I go down there? Everybody like, nah, just wait on them to call you. I'm like, I ain't want to wait, you know what I'm saying? I ain't do it. Right. So they like, just wait. I'm like, fine, release. But I kept asking most people, then they shot my girl mama house up. I told her like that night, right? Yeah. I told her like, call the police, tell them what's going on, tell me everything. So my girl went to her mama house and told the police. So they called, like, yes, I'll come out. And I came down there. I got moved to the brain. I'm like, you want to come in and talk to him, bro? You know your name in it, bro. Right. And he like, shit, I wait on him to call me. Was you not there that night that Bloody J got jumped on? I'm supposed to say he was, but I didn't see him. You didn't see him.
Is him and Thug still cool?
Who?
Was Nut and Thug still cool?
Oh, God, I ain't even know Nut and Thug had something. But the street said out, you know what I'm saying? So when they came back, but every time I see Thug and Nut jump up, every time. Every time. That one time they didn't jump up. So the same way that folks was thinking that because you and Montauk cool, you got beef with them, you think that they thought that because Kel and Nut cool, that Nut got beef with y'all. No, listen. See, they looking at it like Nut ain't got problem nobody. Right, that's what we hear. They just looking at it like it's just me and Kel. Me and Kel got problem. And Nut just an angel. Right. You know what I'm saying? Nut's like just doing what he was doing. Right. It just went out there. You know what I'm saying? So when they had me kicked on Nut, they trying to say that I can't do it. Why would I go out to Nut? You know what I'm saying? It's been plenty of time. Me and Kel don't talk to a few of the same girls. Where I get their phone after they talk to them. I won't say that. I won't try to trick them none of that. Right. I would never stand him. Right. I wouldn't. Even when they jump on me, I would stand my hours full. I had nothing here and everything. Get what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go back to the club. And then when they with a bigger bankroll. Right. That's all I kept doing. Listen to bitch jumped foot, it ain't that.
Right.
So, after that happened, they started showing the house. I can't out here talk. So, I went back, like, I had told them. So, they're like, yeah, I'm like, bro, I can't even tell him, bro. He just like, nah, bro. JJ got to leave low. Where I'm gonna go? You like, you wanna come out here? But yeah, I went mine. But I stayed out there, what, a week? I took my girl in bed, we stayed out there a week. Mm-hmm. We came back. Before we came back, Big Greg called me, he like, man, nigga, white kid got shot. Well, what you telling me? He saying, what he told the police I did. I mean, we started laughing, cause it was funny.
Everything gets blamed on you.
Yeah, no, but Greg like, nah, for real, but he laughed. Said he told the police he saw me do it. I think he seen me do it. So Greg like, so I'm finna put a picture on Instagram. Mm-hmm. But I'm like, man, I ain't got that proof. Everybody like, don't put no picture, don't show. So I came in when we came back. It was like, throw trying to get rid of me. You know what I'm saying? So trying to get rid of you? Yeah. So I was telling him like, man, bro, I'm going out here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't. Yeah, he like, yo, you supposed to. And then I might tell him like, I had talked to the police out there. They want me to come talk to him or whatever. He like, yeah. Like even like now he won't come over. Like he gonna help call me and then I'm calm. He gonna help. Like he don't mess with me no more. Like what the hell? So he called me the other day. He called like day before yesterday or something. He like, bro, they say I gotta get on me here, bro. I'm like, you do? And he started there like, man, his daddy called told him that what they saying in the street, say, man, him beef. I'm like, man, I ain't heard that like that. I'm like, well, why would he think he got a hit on you? Like, I'm getting lost. I am too, don't I?
I thought he was your cat. Like y'all was.
Don't I feel like everybody trying to tell you, like, I don't know what to say, because everybody in the street saying I did. And so I started feeling like, yeah, if they kill me, everybody, they gonna go away. Then I started feeling, so then I like, he said, oh, you do? You know what I'm saying? I ain't heard nobody say, yeah, hit on my head till you everything. I'm like,
do you trust him?
I don't even know that. When I went to Miami, I was like,
did it feel right?
Yeah, I was like, cool. You know what I'm saying? But
you ain't no good fan. Like
at first, he was just like we was just chilling, like, he treated me like a brother.
Yeah.
Even when I went to Miami, he still buying me stuff. But just like, he wasn't happy with me around him.
It felt different.
Like you were careful now.
But he never showed it. He just like, I told him, girl, I'm hungry. Go, man. And I couldn't even sleep.
Like, was different.
Yeah, I'm like, man, something right. Then I keep telling him, like, no, what the hell's going on? But I got to go. So when we came back with his mama. The day we came back, they shot his mama also.
Right there, man.
Yeah, so I'm telling him, like, I tell the detective, bro. Mm-hmm. He let me, like, when I get there, it could be. He keep hearing me saying, call police. I got nothing to do with it. He got nothing to do with it. Lady folks know it.
Be a victim.
Yeah, but it's just like I said more to him. I keep telling him, bro, stop letting him call your name. Go talk to the police.
Yeah.
And me, I'm just on the phone. I'm going in there, bro. He's like, I'm telling you, they said they're going to, man, if they here, but I ain't did nothing, bro. So he's like, well, tell y'all to call him. If y'all want him to call, he's like, what's from you? He's like, tell y'all he'll come. Like, yeah, I don't know why the hell your ass ain't been came. I told him, I gave the tip on the case number. And he's like, he ain't calling him. Like, man, you right, change back, go down there, bro, change state. He called me for Tree. I told him, Tree will come back. In between us. Right. Tree will come back and tell her everything about them. I'm telling the Muslim, like, man, you tripping, bro. Why you
that's okay, she probably go down there and tell.
I'm telling him this, you know what I'm saying? So he tell me, like, she think I'm looking at her side. Like, why she thinking that, bro? Say, I looked at her a certain way. I looked at her a certain way. 644, 662, 8935. She said I looked at her a certain way and I gave her a look. I said, man, but it ain't right there, bro.
How long was they talking? Who talking?
Tree. They talked for a long time.
Like years?
Yeah. But I ain't no Muslim, they don't like me. I make Muslim myself, I ain't doing it. So, man, Muslim, man, I ain't that good on.
Pausing at 7:01:50. That was the time. resume at 7:04:41.
And it was, he texted me here in Mechanicsville.
In Canada, what he driving?
He was driving a black Impala. I got to put some H man.
What the girl driving?
New Baby. A red Toyota Camry.
What's her name? What's her nickname?
New Baby.
Her name, New Baby?
Yeah, her
What they
name.
call her new baby?
I went to school with her. I don't know. She in the Army.
What's her government name?
What's her first name? We're getting this
I'm trying to think. Her name, she on Instagram. It's a dog life.
It's a who?
It's a dog life.
It's a dog, like D-O-L-L?
Yeah.
Let me see a picture of it. I'm not even
I couldn't find it.
New baby.
Where y'all getting that name from?
Mom.
Like, why they call you Willie?
That was wrong with your name.
Born with it. It's a damn government name. Your government is killer. You're killer.
I think that's what I raised up for.
You don't know why they call you that?
I wish I knew how to change it. But I still have to do it.
What's your name, bro?
People
What's your name, bro? So after this, so this weekend when they start shooting at you, what made you think it was cool to go out?
I think when I
You
came
trying to prove a point, ain't you?
no,
You trying to prove a point that you ain't carried out.
it did. Well, I'm not going to run and hide for somebody too. They had people think I'm behind because I killed that man.
But at the same time, it's almost like you've been tried and convicted by the street, whether you did or if you didn't do it. You feel me? So why risk your safety?
Really, honestly, they just killed a lot of them. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
why you went out.
I
So
did
you
that.
was like, ooh, you good. But then once he got back out, you know when
I didn't know you was out.
you know when he got back out?
The night I got the
Which one is her? The hat on?
This one. Yeah, with the head on.
The night they got to shooting at each other.
Yeah. See, Tree the one called told her he was out. She the one telling us everything about it.
Which makes sense. Which I don't think that if she wanted y'all off, like she would tell y'all that he out.
But it's still perfect. You know what I'm saying?
Like both sides.
Yeah. Same way she tell him, I got told him so, bro. Like, don't show her who I met, bro. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I think she like you and don't like me. That's what I think about it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And also, you can trust her with your life, bro. But he feel like she know everywhere he stay and stuff. And ain't that happy how? Okay, bro. She like you, she don't like me.
Right.
A lot of people don't like me. So don't show them. Like, Moto dropped me off at home.
Mm-hmm.
Me, my girl, my baby, and Legend.
Mm-hmm.
And look, she wake up and still say, I shot her house. Come on, Moto. They don't even sound right.
Well, who you think?
7:07:27. Restart at 7:07:51.
That's what she told him. Like, oh, why she scared? And then Moto like, she want to talk to me. Because she think I'm like, I don't want to talk to her. I don't want to talk to her.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Right. And Moto like, I don't know, bro. She said she got the information. It ain't nothing she can tell me.
That you probably already know.
Yeah.
Or not heard.
Everything that you said and be done come right back.
Yeah.
Everything. But I'm not going to hide. I'm not going to run. I'm tired of hiding. Because guess what? They're going to kill somebody in my family. I did not kill this man. I didn't do it. And then I went cap.
You wasn't kidding.
I went cap. I was shit. Like I tell them, bro. I'm the reason I'm acting where I am because I ain't do it. You know what I'm saying? They don't come do that to me. That's all I ask. Don't mess with me. I will mess with you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But look about it. They ain't did that to my family. They shot Kenny's friend. They were my friend. I ain't had nothing to do with
But
it.
they shut up your baby mama house.
Yeah, but guess what?
What?
Ain't nobody get hurt.
They shut up your sister house.
Ain't nobody get hurt.
So you mean to tell me you sitting back and
Yeah, don't shit me. Listen to me. Long as I ain't hurt nobody, it's okay.
I can't see you letting that
come on now, you ain't no punk.
You ain't
no punk.
Guess what? My girl mama. What happened? They shot her out too. Guess what? The little money I had in my pocket, I gave it to her. Just go get a hotel room, and when everything get right, try to pay for some of your stuff. Like, right. Cause she started crying on the phone, on her phone. And I felt like it was my fault. But I kept explaining to her over and over, I didn't do that. I didn't have nothing to do with it. Mm-hmm. And then she called back, she like, it wasn't dead. You know, she was just hurt. She knows, she believed me, and deep down inside, she trying to figure out, I didn't do it. And then I gave her the money and stuff, and she just talking like, I was just getting her. I don't have no money. I don't have that. I'm getting her money, my sister. Everybody else here.
So after all this flexing, basically you were flexing with other money. And
No. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Not like that.
Now, see, when they came to the club, they didn't have a lot of money. And then I just asked them from she her money. You know what I'm saying?
You showing out.
Yeah. That was just the end of it. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't flexed the last time I flexed money was the last time.
So when you say he cut you off, since then he ain't trying to help you move your family. Other than the trip to Miami, after that it's like.
He like, say baby mama was finding her outside the car, kind of something. But she got problems. She just want to get up on me, so I'm telling her, how you gonna get up on me? You need to try to kill us for real.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And man, her like you should see me. Who wants them a love? You want to give up on me, then your mom and my already thinking it's me. It ain't me. It ain't me. I didn't show them where your mama stay. They already knew.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? She goes home last night. I had to call, why you going home? Because the same nigga on that picture I sent you with, he been in the house. Man, it was cool. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? They got him push pictures. Well, I don't know,
Shoot out on the highway.
yeah. The one in the yard, he the same, and they smile him hanging out the car like he the one who shot it. They saying 7 hanging out the car. They ain't right outside. And me and him were cool. He was good one. Which guy? With the black right there behind. Yeah. Me and him cool. You know what I'm saying? Do you fuck with any of them like that? Me and him cool.
What's his name?
His name Tate Savage.
Yeah, we know him.
Me and him cool. That nigga.
Why initially you thought it was Greek because of the car?
Nah, the girl was 2 cars. They was the second car. Greedy was the first car.
So it was Greek.
Yeah, Greedy was driving.
You saw him?
Nah, Legit seen.
Wow.
So I was Legit seen because I had my head down. When I looked up, see the LaFrey car straight on. I'm like, damn. You know, I hit the gas. When I hit the gas, the car went go.
Alright, transmission slipped on.
Somebody, like they shot back, somebody said they could hit the trash. Something that the trash made it one man and made it stop working. I jumped out the car.
Yeah. Right, because they really got that shit.
I see smoke on the car. I jumped out the car, ran around to the passenger side. And then he got in the car and hit the gas. And like ran to the door. I jumped back in the car. So when I jumped back in the car, we rolled. I was on Lakewood, got back on the freeway, went to the house, told my brother. And he didn't get tried to kill me.
Why you had your brother sign the police report?
Because I ain't got a license. You still a victim though, like, they still lock me up.
Bro, if you ain't in the car, listen, if you ain't driving the car when we get there, we're not going to waste our time on lock you up to drive with because now you didn't kind of, now you didn't kind of sway the investigation that y'all made a false police report. Now, I ain't trying to lock y'all up for that shit, but if we get some evidence or get a gun or something to match shell cases or whatever like that, it's kind of like you threw the investigation off by having your brother take the report. You know what I'm saying? Like, at that point, you a victim. They fucking shot. You got witnesses and you that said they shot at you. We got DOT cams. You understand? So it's like, you gotta be 100%, especially on if you gonna put it on paper. I know y'all trying to get the car fixed. At the same time, in the long run, this shooting shit ain't gonna stop.
Yeah.
Like, from this point on, you just gotta be, don't think about going to jail. Ain't nobody trying to lock you up unless you did something.
Yeah.
Now, that's what I was trying to explain to you. Like, you just gotta be, I don't want to lock you up. We could, you would be in jail. It's not.
I figured it, but every time I went there for terrorist threat, aggravated assault. I know. And the police pull it up on me. I got a warrant. How the hell I get a warrant? Yeah, I remember it. But so and then everybody saying my name now. So I said, man, I got a warrant. Then police people told me I got to the third to come. I was told them what's going on. They like, still come.
I mean, still, you still, I left a message for Lady Sharon. You still have to go down there and show your
Yeah, she told me I got to come for on the 3rd, but then she gonna put one.
Yeah, you have to.
My birthday gonna take me in the morning, but it ain't there. I just don't want to go to jail. I stopped doing everything. I started hanging around them. Guess what? I ain't ready none of it, but now I feel like I want to rap. Like, Miss Tola told me, like, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah,
I'm ready.
at some point you gotta get shit up.
Now, my file in the way.
Right.
I thought I would be lame or something. And then I listened to the other people they rap. I said, I rap better. Yeah, but I know. But I just hanging around him, I just felt like it was something new I want. But
Now you want your own. You want your own shining with that.
Nah, now I wish got shot too hard. Like, it ain't nasty. Like, I can't even sleep. Last night, I sleep at the window, looking out the window every 5 seconds.
Sure. So why are you here? Why are you in Atlanta?
Cause
You ain't got no family nowhere?
yeah, but I don't want to run it. I don't.
Why? Do you want to run and live or stay here and fight and die this great death or something? Do you think it's a movie?
I try to stop the way.
Right. But what I'm saying is, clearly, it ain't out the way, it ain't working.
Just as quick as we saw you getting off the expressway, we could have let somebody else up.
And you know that. That's like your mind right now. You like this. You know you did. You ain't know that was well.
I didn't.
You went to tool up there. When you pulled out the side, I know you did. And then you came and pulled it out. That's why I came out with my shit.
I can't really like, dang, he supposed to find me.
But you were like, then you pulled out there. Look at him. I said, he over there tooling up.
Yeah. And then boy come out and say, get your ass back and you get shot. You're like, all right, you got it. Like, come on.
But is that any way to live?
Like that.
It ain't, but what can I do?
Look. This is Atlanta, right? This you, this kill.
And guess what? You're going to be here when I come back.
When you coming back? Why come back?
So I was just,
Listen, I'm clear for a little while.
Take you, your baby, and your girl, and y'all.
this way, nothing got killed. I came out here to prove that I ain't nothing to do with it, I ain't do it.
That ain't proving that to the street.
I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to make sure the police know first. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to stand in the street. I'm like, okay, I'm going to go, I'm going to leave, and let it die out. This was the purpose of me leaving. These niggas started showing my house, get away. They wouldn't stop. They wouldn't stop. You know what I'm saying? Then, guess what? I came back, get away. I've been out there. I'm right here in Canada. They haven't came. They haven't came.
Do you think the shooting is stopped though?
Honestly, no, but I went to my brother's house.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
When I went to my brother's house, I would wait. If y'all would come shoot up their house, be here. Retaliate.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But I didn't go look for it because when they talk to me, like, you have the right to defend yourself.
Right.
I can show you the gun I got. The same guy had me out. I went right to the pawn shop. My buddy brought his name. I went right back home. Hey, bro, we ain't ready. We got a gun. You know what I'm saying? If they come, I was just saying, we just staying out. I'm not going out and looking for trouble, none of this. You know what I'm saying? So, if I go to jail, I'm going to jail like this. I'm protecting my family and my brother. Because my brother hard here. He don't want to take kids out of the house. And I'm not going to leave him there. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to stay up with him. Every night, we go in the club home. I went right in the house. Just going in. Last night, so my girl and my baby's house. I stayed there one all night, make sure they didn't come. Because the police ain't doing this.
What can we do? Ain't nobody killing us.
You the first person that came down. Well, previous today, because her shit got shot up a little bit. If her shit wouldn't have got shot up, she wouldn't have came down here and said that. You the first person that actually come down here and explain shit to us. We can't go by what the streets is saying. We need real people to talk about it. Not just hearsay from this person. Hey, you heard this? No, come in and talk.
There's different stories floating around.
Because now you shed it up.
Like, get what the man did. Yeah, he called Kill. He called. He was happy to call. And he's like,
Who called Kill?
The detective, he's like, they called. He got guns and he not getting out. This nigga.
Pausing at 7:18:18. Starting at 7:18.
Let police know I ain't did it. I'm put a picture up. I'm make sure I'm somewhere around.
But y'all saying that people can prove to the police I ain't did it, but y'all know better than we do.
But what I'm saying, I feel like if I do that, yeah, I'm gonna die. You know what I'm saying? But when they pull up on the side of us on the expressway, they had a purpose trying to kill us. I feel like they just trying to look up and, you know what I'm saying? Because they put on the side of it and shot, and then pulled out the cup stopped them. We opened the door, getting hot.
Yeah.
And another couple pull up and do the same thing. They ain't actually trying to sit there and kill us. So I just feel like they want to name because they keep calling down telling them, the word keep coming talking about, oh, they shot all the houses up. They just doing it to tell Moody's. You know what I'm saying? But
did he approve it?
Yeah, he approved it before they died.
What you mean?
Like, he was like, they must kill me.
Wow.
I mean, but what did you do if none wasn't already dead yet? Like, why would he sit down to work just for a little petty fight in the club?
Just kill. Like, my friend, like TJ from Kansas Bay,
Look Cash, yeah.
this nigga down with him. Like, that's his game.
Oh, yeah, he was in with family.
So, this nigga, he was in there, he hit it. He didn't tell me.
CJ,
He didn't come back and tell me. This nigga still hanging with me now. And he didn't tell me nothing. Somebody else that was in there, they felt like I deserved to know. Came back like, hey, I had to get rid of everybody, bro. Like, but they saying kill you, bro. Trick me to a gas station, kill me. Like, who say Mo said it? And everybody said, whoop. Blood J, Mo was on the phone. Blood J standing next to the person that was talking. And he didn't know the name of the person that was talking. And after everybody, I just said kill him, said Blood J like, whoop. Everybody said, woo, woo.
that means it's a go.
Yeah, I don't know what it would mean, but so everybody was like, woo, woo, and now I had guns and whatever.
So after this, so once they Mohawk them jumped on Bloody J, that only escalated it more then, right?
Oh, that's what they said was about. Check it. I supposed to have Blood J jump. I supposed to have Blood J jump on my now. You know what I'm saying? They jumped on my leg.
So that's when he supposedly sent word.
Yeah, this phone came from Blood J. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But I said, Blood J phone saying I heard, like, oh, y'all got hit on me. Y'all killed this and that. I'm out here. Y'all need to pull up.
Right.
Blood J ain't said that. Because Blood J, you know, every time Thug went somewhere, bro, I take your phone. Hey, we right here, blue flame, make shit, pull up.
Yeah.
He come right there. Him and Thug talk.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I look at Thug like, I think he ready, bro. Like, he ready. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, like, you know, but I ain't never seen,
Like it was that deep to be trying to kill each other.
no, I ain't.
Your Honor, we're pausing it at 7:22:16. And we're gonna pick it up at 7:22:40. Sure. Okay. Okay. So we're rewinding it to 7:22:33. Okay. So. Get that.
So if you would get it, who you think killed that? You prime suspect, but move yourself out the equation. Who you think did? I'm just saying, like, word on the street is, you've been tried, convicted within the street.
Now they said, two of my other partners were locked up for it, but
Who?
they my head and down. But they ain't have nothing to do
Who was
with
that?
Doc locked up.
Who was that?
Clarence. I think it's his name. Cause I didn't like him with.
Yeah.
They saying they did.
Yeah,
Yeah, head up. They saying they did. You know what I'm saying? They said they trying to make shit
What
like.
do you think? Like, what do you think? What do you think happened? Like, real shit?
I think it got something to do with them. I think they did something.
They had another beef somewhere else.
I been hearing stories like they're supposed to ran off on somebody with some, you know what I'm saying? But they just undercover.
Right.
I'm just on him because I'm with Doug and Birdman,
Right.
and they come back to them.
Right.
So they're supposed to ran off on somebody with some, and
Some jury.
I don't know if they didn't say what it was. It's like he's supposed to ran off on them or something, and Rich on McCoy supposed to give him $50,000 to meet him in the club. Like Rich on McCoy told him this out his mouth.
Yeah.
Then Rich on McCoy like he got $25,000 to have Tate killed. It's like
From the picture you just showed me?
nah, Tate who just got shot the other night.
Oh, in the car over there. Okay.
He got $25,000 to have Tate killed.
Who did?
Just Rich on McCoy shit. Cause he was telling me. So I'm telling Rich on McCoy like, but you got these niggas in your house. You saying you got shit on my house, bro.
Right.
Rich on McCoy like, he like, bro, they just look like that, bro. Like we the same shit. Like, but still, bro, you out here letting these niggas this and that. So Rich on McCoy like, bro, it ain't that. We the same shit. I just can't turn my back on. Like, it ain't that, bro. You support these niggas, bro. So the more you support them, the more they gonna come out and do that. If you leave them alone, then everything gonna go away.
Yep.
Then you're like, bro, just protect me, bro. We need y'all, bro. I need y'all to protect me. How the hell we gonna protect you? You and these niggas out here doing it. Then you're like, so you shot my truck, bro. That side of the truck. Man, you been, you know what I mean? You been around. Like, nah, I'll just ask you in there like that.
What did he have the 25 to do Tay here on?
See, Tay Daddy got shot.
Rich on McCoy.
It's Monster. So like how they say my name? On Bankhead, they say Tay name. They saying Tay did. I know Tay ain't do it. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm lying stuff saying Tay said like his mouth. I know Tay ain't do that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Because the night before we just at the party.
Yeah, who did it?
Somebody else did some.
Spit it out.
You know what I'm saying? But it's supposed to be some nigga that had money over there. You know what I'm saying?
Niggas over there got money.
No, I'm trying to Bankhead.
A lot of niggas over there got money.
So when I started thinking, I couldn't think of the name, but this nigga supposed to have paid somebody on Johnson Road on one of them streets over there to do it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
To kill him and retaliate. To get that Quan? Or to target his daddy?
Cause like the same day, we was like, I was in the street, I seen Quan crying. I'm like, oh, bro. He need to try to kill dad. You know what I'm saying? But him and Tate been having fun.
Right.
So that's why he think it's Tate.
Right.
Him going through it, him and Tate murder each other. But he don't even know that Tate.
Right.
How y'all having fun? But Tate is a school boy.
Mm-hmm.
And they feel like they retaliation. Man, it ain't. But I couldn't say him because no matter how many times I tried to speak up to Tate, he always had in his head, Tate did.
Right.
So like, man, y'all tripping, man.
So that's what that was about the other day.
I can't take him. I was gonna hesitate, but I had Tate put up on me like probably like Friday or Thursday or Friday. Tate pulled out like, hey bro, bitch, I'm going at 25,000 on your head.
Why so much?
Yeah, cause you need to tell Tate. Yeah, he really scared. He's scared of Tate. So I said, Tate, I'm like, bro, he trying to face my then Rich on the corner supposed to go and care a lot. You know what I'm saying? So I'm feeling like that's what he did because the whole time he can have the money on Tate's head and he ain't do it. So when you go and demand out, that's gonna happen. That's on him. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't talking to Tate. I don't know how it happened. I don't know where that. But I know Tate was messing with nobody. Tate stopped doing whatever he was doing. He just ran around and he tried to be a rap.
Right.
So I
What he drive?
Huh?
What did he drive?
A gold charge.
Damn, so Karen knocked him off? Tell me what.
So we're stopping at 7:27:40. And we're resuming at 7:30:24.
He just like said it ain't so. And Muslim like, man, I'm telling you, man. nothing to do with it.
Who do you trust at this point?
I ain't scared.
That ain't what I said. That's not what I said. I said, who do you trust at this point? Because clearly it seems like you got it coming from all different directions.
Like Rich on the corner, not Rich on the, what's the nigga name? His mom and dad got shot. Luke's mom and dad got shot. So Nick called Big Boo phone. We had Big Boo out playing Luke called Big Boo phone. Nah, his manager D. And first thing nigga said was, hey Boo, Luke's mom and dad just got shot. Somebody shot, mom and dad got shot. Somebody shot the house up. He like, it's 20,000, man. I don't want any information. It's 20,000 on his head, whatever he said. Yeah. So I heard that. I mean, I'm not really sure from. Yeah. I hear Woody, man. I ain't did nothing like that, but you know they gonna scream my name. They ain't know now. And he just like, yeah, but Lucha ain't got nothing to do with it. I'm like, bro, I ain't said he did, bro. I ain't do that. I don't care about none of that. Yeah. This is what I put money on your head. I'm putting that on my head. I ain't do it. Just straight up. And he said we had to say, I gave Boo the phone to let you know I ain't do it, bro. Come my way. You know what I'm saying? And I gave Boo the phone to him that night. And Boo was joking with me. And the way he joked, I was like, man, then Boo got my, he about to try to shake me up. But all you gotta do is say, I did it, and they gonna believe. And he gonna get paid, and you gonna be gone, so he ain't got answer. Yeah, so I told Muslim, like, man, take me home, bro. Like, then I got to come, like, bro. I said, Boo tripping, bro. Boo gonna try to, you know what I'm saying? So Muslim, like, yeah, bro, we gotta stay away from them.
But why would you want us to be here, bro?
Yeah, I ain't got nowhere to go, like.
You do. Think of something. Think of somewhere to go, bro.
For a couple months, just to take too long.
Because, as it seems...
Why? You ain't... Why? I just feel like they gonna play himself on the street.
No, it's not. You know how they're gonna play it off? One day we gonna get that call.
It ain't gonna be me.
Bullshit. You bulletproof or something?
Nah, yeah.
Go ahead, bulletproof.
I'm gonna find a way, man. Like...
They
gonna get the wrong person in.
You ain't gonna give a fuck.
Nah, I'm saying they gonna get the wrong person again, innocent person, and they gonna mess up that way. I don't believe it. They gonna, I don't feel like I just feel like they just care. Because when Kel locked up, I came out this way. I came out, ain't no nigga said nothing to me. I walked to the store. Yeah. Cars riding by, folks digging, laughing, pointing at me. So like, even Boo said the same thing. Hey, Boo said it the other night. Like, man, that's how we carry out. Like, man, Kel had me up. Nah, we Boo his name. So he got released. Yeah, no, he didn't say release. It's just like decline the prosecute. But I forgot decline the prosecute means drop the charge. So like, he got to go downtown for these. Then I went back and looked. I like, well, they declined each other. He got $5,000 going. And then Boo like, damn. Like, man, you scared, man? He like, nah, I ain't scared, but I just knew, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about him.
But answer this question. If they got
We're stopping at 7:33:48. We're resuming at 7:34.
I ain't calling Wayne. What about when you text me about that white charge in the Jeep? That was the other night. There was, who was in it? When I came in the gate, it looked like Stewie was driving. So I was in another car. Right. So we put around like, so they couldn't get in the gate, they bailed out. And they both on pulling side by side. Look, we linked back up. My brother put gate code in, we linked back up. They let the one down in the Jeep. And one of the niggas in the church opened the door. It was throwing both of them. It was loud on. Yeah. And then I looked like, well, it's Stewie right there. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So we bad back. When we bad back, we get behind them. Telling Stewie from the one in the picture. Yeah. So we looked, but we was in the white church, it was tents on there. So we couldn't see who it was till they opened the door and light come on. And both of them went straight ahead. Like they trying to come in the gate to the back door. So the only one you really recognize was Stewie. I seen him like, they come back to the house like somebody showed them where the door it is. Mm-hmm. Like we was going in the apartment to the back. Y'all can't move. Huh?
y'all can't move.
They ain't got no family out of town.
I ain't even talking about necessarily out of town, but y'all showing.
They told me the Section 8 people told my sister, find a house. They move her ASAP, but
Like, go to Forest Park, not Forest.
I told her that I just had to go to Clark County. And she like, she had to get her Section 8
transfer.
Yeah. And then my girl mama had called, what's her name, but she got rid of them, come back, she called her back. And my girl, she had just tried to go to the rent out for the day, and I saw her move her to another apartment. You need to move to another apartment.
Move out the apartment to another property.
Flex money and go get a little spot.
Yeah.
The flex money gone. I don't flex too much. Don't know.
So you in the club straight flex. You ain't make no rainy day fund like Lord. You ain't get no lawyer money or nothing. Where you find money at?
That point, I was staying with the jail.
I'm just saying.
It's gonna have a little stash.
Come on now, man. Be smarter than that. If you're gonna be in the street, be smarter than that. What happens if you get jammed up and you got a $5,000 bond? Who gonna pay your
I
bond?
was just paying on store pay.
He ain't fucking with you.
And I see that. And guess what I said? Alright. It wasn't that ill. It wasn't that ill. I ain't need that, so I just like, I wouldn't need it. You know what I'm saying? I really was afraid of somebody sneak put one out on me. But somebody didn't do it when I go to jail again about that. But besides that, I wouldn't stand it.
Well, I don't think we are the ones you need to be worried about. If you ain't did that on this end, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Like, you seem like you got bigger fish to fry in the streets.
I just feel like they're gonna slip up.
Who gonna slip up?
Them.
And do what? You gonna kill them before they kill you?
If it came down to it, I wouldn't be scared to, but I'm not, it ain't. Like, after they shot the car, they shot right on my head. Like, I had a seat like this, and the bullet hit right there.
And that ain't scary you. That ain't make you say, I need to get my ass out of there.
Yeah,
Out of Dodge.
it did, but where am I gonna go? That's all, like, where am I gonna go? I don't wanna run, I don't wanna hide, but all I'm trying to do is get it over with, let it get over. Then, I can't even find out what's going on, because now they got everybody pointing things at me. Everybody saying I did. Now the truth ain't gonna never come out. So they got everybody thinking I did.
The truth.
Then they put it on head come out. Then they put it on head.
Stopping at 7:38. And we're resuming at 7:41:02.
I put it out with them. What the hell? You know what I'm saying?
So you like living like that?
No, it ain't. Yeah.
Yes, I don't want to go out. You like it? I ain't going out like no punk. That's basically it.
It ain't. I feel like, you know what I'm saying? My grandma said. My grandma told me, God said, don't run. You should not run from no one. You know what I'm saying? So, I ain't did now. I'm not gonna run from. You know what I'm saying? I just try to watch my back. But
You just feel like if it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. But you ain't gonna lay down, but
you can't run from it.
right.
I'm not gonna leave for Trump. But if it was to come my way, then I'm gonna stand up for myself.
So you like doing this?
No. It's just, like, I keep a couple people around. You know what I'm saying?
Who?
Lil G, the other Lil G for Cleveland, and who now, got Shannon there, and, like, that's what I be around. So,
And Moto.
yeah, Moto, but Moto, that nigga might come around, like, he don't even come around every day, like,
Is he older than you?
he like 30 hours, shit, it's close to 40, but it ain't dead yet. I really have my trust in them, but if I was in winning, I wouldn't want nobody around me but Lil G. You know, I feel like they'll turn your back on.
Right.
But
yeah, them 30.
Stopping at 70:42:20. And resume at 7:47:03.
Come here and talk to me.
Currency.
What's the phone?
Why y'all got these big iPhone 6s and all y'all shit, bro?
I just go there. They easy break. The phone touch ground. They break. They fill it
Why you in
in
the case?
Give me a second one.
They don't look clear enough.
I don't even want it no more. They
Yeah.
ragged. Fill it in the toilet. Still working though. That's why I like it. So, 470 991 8068.
What's Lil number? Because I know his auntie Marquita.
Legit. 404 387 3482.
I'm gonna have Marquita bring it to me, y'all need.
Well, he come in on your own.
Hey, say, what you know about?
We're stopping at 7:48:10. Resume at 7:49:30.
See, I think I went wrong when I let go. No, like, I went check the car phone. You know what I'm saying?
You feel like you snitching or something?
Anyway, I think that what he feels, but
He don't want to fully believe it.
yeah, like,
You don't know what to believe, baby. You just put it
yeah,
in
but
the
now
back.
every time they call, it's like I'm right there in front of us, and I had to walk out. Like, well, it was chip, boy. Like, shit, they try to find out that he just felt like I'm just making up kind of what he stood.
Right.
So, man.
Well, who shot up the event over there on Spring Street? This girl shit.
The night before that got shot.
Then the little event at the hotel, the little hotels on Spring.
Downtown in the park, his girl had some like fashion or
Can I
something.
check that up?
They ain't shooting around it.
Yeah.
But down there?
Yeah. The day before that got shot.
You may. Honestly, why don't we just take for the jury, a quick bathroom break, or a stretch break? You can do either or both.
I'm not. Not really. So I'm not. Oh,
Is that what it was? Okay.
And you're aware now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you want to put anything on the record about it?
And specifically what I asked the Honorable Court to exclude about a supposed shooting of Mr. Williams' girlfriend's event, and he has no knowledge of it, and it all comes from the police, and you said absolutely.
It was an error, Your Honor. I do have it here, and it's on the paper, and it was one of the ones that didn't get caught, I guess, by the defense as well.
Didn't get caught in terms of
When they
where
were
y'all
reviewing
start
it.
and stop.
Or just, I guess, as they were reviewing it, they didn't catch it as well when I gave it to them to double check. And so
it didn't even get highlighted the first time around?
No, so it was just one that was missed. But I do have it on my paper. It was just one that was missed.
Would y'all like any sort of a curative instruction?
No.
Okay.
We'll just move past it, Sharon.
All right, get it queued up to wherever it's supposed to be next. And how much longer do we have on this video?
Probably about 45 minutes, Sharon.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No. Let's get the jury back in. Sorry.
Yes.
Unless you're going to do what that public defender did that time, in which case.
Oh.
Okay. If it gets that desperate, y'all let me know. Huh? I mean, he knows what actually happened, but that's what got reported. Anyway.
I mean, I have a 54-year-old That'll be your chair from now on.
How soon are... Let's get Mr. Copeland back, too. Let's figure that out after we release the jury for the day. How close are they? Nowhere near close. They don't expect quick breaks. The jury's not ready, so you can very, very quickly go have a restroom break. But let's just keep it to everybody who absolutely needs to, so we don't have 20 minutes again. All righty.
And Greedy's still in the watch, still in front of the phone.
Nah, and back.
What about Kel knocking off that? Doubt it.
I ain't gonna say I doubt it. I ain't.
I heard that.
I don't say I doubt it. Because when him and Thug, like, he was just like, well, call Nut. I'm gonna tell Nut about this.
Like his big homie.
Yeah.
Like the big brother, like I'm telling like the pop.
Yeah, like he just like I gotta tell Nut what he need to say. I was like, why you gotta tell Nut? But I ain't never seen that. Like, yeah.
What about Thug knocking off Nut?
Like I said, I really can't say, like, when it came out of Nut, I don't know. I don't know nothing about it.
Who did you hear? You said that you heard just in the streets that Head and who was the other dude?
They say they got locked up for it. Head got locked up with the gun, they killed Nut, and all this shit, yeah.
Yeah, like, it'd be 50% truth, 50% falsehood.
It'd be 100% lie.
No, he did get locked up.
With the gun?
I ain't say that. That's my point.
That's a lie.
That's my point.
That's supposed to be true that you ain't got locked up.
That was just one of this. He was just fucking bitch. That's it.
So you would have a silver prostitute?
I don't know if she was probably out there. No, he got caught up.
She hit and said that he just like, he ran on the back street. He ran on the back street, but like I said, he like, police think they the gun. He said, police asked him and all this. But like the tip, I told him, gave him, you know, he like, well, alright, the man ain't never called him. You know what I'm saying?
Well, let me call him. What's his number?
Oh, damn. They took his phone, ain't they come?
Still, what's his number?
I don't have no phone here. Oh, no.
What you doing tonight?
Huh?
Get the number.
What you doing tonight?
Well, I'm going tonight. Shit, what night? Twins?
You staying inside, right? You staying inside, right?
Yeah, I ain't even been out. I just up in grandma's house. And I still come here. There was a couple of them trying to buzz up. Look.
Wait, get this number. This is what I want you to do when you get done. I want you to write down every address that you can think of in your family number.
Who knows? Yeah.
Because we want to do what we can.
To keep you alive.
What you want, right here?
Write down every family member, including where you stay. Now, we know about Maury. Write down every address you can think of your closest family members.
Your sister not on
I can't say the address, I say the area.
Say this.
We'll stop at 754-36. And we're resuming at 756:33.
We literally been tracking down all your family members so we can
Think of the name.
We can get them some type of police
literally presence or something. Anything we can protect 24 hours around the clock. But we want to know where the main people that you can say you may lay your head, people may think you can lay your head at. We kind of at least want to have one step up. You know what I'm saying?
Beside them right there.
I know you got some little chicks.
I got cut off. I can't go on one girl and phone.
Why? Because their money dried up.
Nah, it's dead.
They all want the problems that they know.
Yeah, these niggas got me. They label. I got messed up label now. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't one, it's another. First they said I wasn't wrong. Now I ain't no wrong. I'm just straight killer. So it ain't now.
You a killer?
Man,
What kind of gun you got now?
I got chop.
You can't live. That's what they you all live out here.
Jay, really, it ain't even. I mean, I really can't explain it, man. Like, I just feel like, man, my older brother said my brother stand called gonna move. If he was to move, then it would be alright. You know, I wouldn't come outside, just stay laid that down. But he don't want to move.
Why?
Cause this nigga, he ain't got money either. I think he stand a free rent, little $40-$50 rent out there, whatever. But
So listen. This is the point I want you to understand. If I shot your mama dead, right?
Yeah.
God rest her dead. If you killed my mama or you shot my mama, how do you think I would react?
But even people believe I did.
I'm gonna tell you how I'm react. On some fuck this police shit, fuck everything. I'm gonna keep it. Right? Somebody shot Lucci mama.
And it. That's the
Right?
second.
The second time, right?
so y'all think you gonna come out to me?
I think they're gonna go after whoever they think it is, because they don't know.
Just like they playing out here, the streets is playing woody, 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 woody. Yo, man, you're responsible for everything, let the streets tell it. You got me? So therefore, that's why I keep reiterating to you, think about going somewhere else. For a little while. Can you do that?
Not even for you. You got a little baby to look after. Not even for you. Just for the safety your child don't need you.
I'm joining every day with them. I can't run from you. Y'all still gotta get set. If I run, they ain't gonna catch me later.
You're not running from it, but you gotta give us time to do what we do. I ain't saying we guarantee to lock the motherfucker up, but we need all the information that we can to make sure we can do our job effectively. I know you don't trust the police and all that shit, which is fine, but at the same time, if I would say if I'm involved with the case, I'm gonna try my damnedest to get convicted.
I don't know. Everybody say about how you doing, but
What they say?
what you don't say.
I mean, I don't put nobody in on no shit they ain't do.
Well, kill.
I ain't put Kill in. Oh, girl put him in.
Who?
Markel Calloway.
What do you get in about?
That's from Ron Dennis.
Oh.
Yeah,
Who?
yeah.
Crackhead.
Yeah. So it's like, even still, you surround yourself around that shit, that's how it goes. I'm telling you, we need some solid information. Like, you shed light on so much shit that we had no clue. We hear little bits and pieces. Like, I think they fought this time, but then they was friends this minute. Like, you shed so much light on so much stuff. That's all I should explain. We're not here to lock you up. We just want to know what the fuck going on, and we can build our case and verify shit that you say. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta be. There's still a lot more behind that. Exactly.
We supposed to get out hours ago. We already. When she told me you was coming in, I'll stay for that. Cause I feel like between you and Kim, one of y'all gonna tell us something.
I wish I could really tell what he was, me and Kim, but that's something I don't know. But that nigga don't turn like they house got shot on MLK. I did. You know what I'm saying? It did everything. I did it. So the truth ain't gonna come out, but I know the niggas on Cleveland, they was gonna do that though. You know what I'm saying? They was showing back.
Niggas on Cleveland?
Yeah, that's the truth.
The other was D?
Nah, it ain't even him. Who? There's a whole nother fool. A rock fool. It ain't rock. It ain't rock no more. I ain't even trying to say like it is what I call it, YSL.
Fly.
Basically, and then it's DK them.
I don't know DK.
They on rough.
They on who?
The rough.
Rest the dress?
Yeah.
I do no fucking DK.
Why they shooting back?
You ain't gotta say I already know. They got word from who? I mean, yeah,
And me and Boo, like, same. You know what I'm saying? So, I think, like, you know, Thug house got shot up.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So, I think it comes from that.
So, you thinking Kel shot up Thug Mama house? Which kind of is,
okay, colors. It's like the red color. I know who red color it was when they came and came back to us. It is one of the boys with him, girlfriend color. I can call right there and find exactly what my phone did now.
what's the boy name?
That, like, it's your boy B. Kenny, who put the picture up on Instagram.
Boy, big who?
Kenny. The one be my brother. It was one of the boys back there that put the picture on Instagram that had him laid back down. And his cousin, girlfriend color. But
Like his cousin, girl name?
no, like Lee, I so can't get it. Cause he just told me, I can get that.
So,
and I
so he probably set that shit up like, hey, look, Instagram, they back here.
I want to say that, but
You don't want to believe me.
because, yeah, it ain't that. It just, he didn't know what was going on, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
So, but he didn't think like the word gonna come back that he could. So like I told him today, like, but you put that picture down to be to let him know what's going on, but he bet on they can't shoot.
Right.
That's why I said he don't know what's going on.
Right.
So, I was just bet that they shot it up.
I know.
And the person who was shooting had to know, like, they had to be back in their backyard. And the only person I know they could be in their backyard was Tate. Cop out back there. And they shot directly into the house. And the way they were shooting,
The Tate was in the Tate that just got shot.
Nah.
The Tate from MDC.
the Tate on their pitch. Savage. The one from
Right.
him. I took him there, and I took him to my brother and baby mama.
Right. So he knew what y'all got.
Exactly. But see, at first, he was like, he ain't staying out of it. You know what I'm saying? And then I see him hanging on the picture to myself, hanging out the car, laying the hair sideways. Now everybody calling me. You know what I'm saying?
And I didn't know he hated me too.
Yeah, that's why I like that.
He was phone free and not fun.
But he was responding first. But he came to the bill, he started hanging with us. And man, I got cool and close. So,
But a lot of people trying to distance themselves from you
nah,
because it's almost like you got delayed. You the nut killer.
that's what they did on Instagram.
So you thinking that because Kel them shot up Thug daddy house, or mom house, whatever, Thug mama house, and from that point, it's kind of like Cleveland Avenue gonna rock with Thug.
It been like, Cleveland Avenue been doing, like, from, let me start it up. Okay, let me see the first time. Yeah, they shot Thug from my house, yeah, that's what it was. She Thug got more brothers, you know what I'm saying? and run to the street. Wouldn't throw this, wouldn't throw this.
Right.
So after they went shot my house, they went shot through my house.
Right. This is chaos.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
But I can tell you a person that my blue house shot up. But I can't tell you because I don't know their name, but they got a picture of.
Who got a picture of?
The brother. The brother brought one of the boys in the house.
The brother bought one of the boys.
He dealt, and he didn't know what was going on. He brought one of the boys to the new house.
What the new house?
The new house was on campus. They got shot up on campus. See, they called police. I don't think they told the police what's going on.
We ain't know about campus. We talking about the one Ruby Hall, like down off Brownsville.
Yeah, they shot them up first, and they went and shot the one up
Same night?
No. They shot up the day we came back. The same day they shot my brother friend in the back.
Yeah.
They shot my house for that night.
Who live on Hendricks?
My brother.
The other brother.
Kenny.
Okay.
That's what it so Hendricks been shot up 3 times.
Well, twice and then the dude down the street.
Yeah. The first time they came, the next night after
Yeah, this shit. Yeah.
and they went to the wrong house.
Yeah.
The dude bust back.
Yeah.
And then the other 2 that came back and that's when somebody got hit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who has a picture of this guy?
The brother got it in his phone.
Your brother.
Nah, third brother. Yeah. But they ain't saying anything because like too many people don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So if y'all would say something bad, they'll know.
Right.
Yeah, because everybody ain't nobody else talk to the police.
Right.
Most of them want to talk to the police, but he don't want to just come on his own.
He want to make up.
Yeah, he want to come. So just like with the detective, they said the detective ain't never come. Yeah. Told me you dropped me out.
Right.
You want to make yourself look guilty.
I don't think he guilty. I just think he got some. As you talk to everybody shit different.
Now, I'm on the phone with him. I'm on the phone. I'm over here. That's what man, I'm like, man, I told brother, man, I don't take down there, bro. They gonna lock me up, bro. And then he comes back, I'm like, man, I told him, like, I ain't listening to what you either, bro. I'm going down there. I ain't getting that. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh, run from him.
Yeah, he was on the side of the side waiting for me. I'm like, why are you over there? This is where we come in at. No, come through the front door, my dude.
You know they could.
Man, you know, somebody didn't come in like that.
When I'm just like, that's the front door. When I call you there, go
You
talk
been
to
down there too much, brother. You know to see.
me. Bring you in that way.
Now, last time I came in that way. They made me walk around that way.
No, okay.
That was probably because somebody was probably sitting up there. Who knows?
Yeah. Now, it was late. It was like 2 o'clock.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
this dude, I think he got dread. He 9 dudes.
Who is?
The one who came to throw my house. What 9 dudes? He went in there, he looked where she laid in. And she said that was the most spot they shot up. And then, yeah, Kara told Rich on McCoy called her sister. And like, trick her. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna kill her. You know,
Just try to get out from where she was. She can come out and then.
this like Rich on McCoy and Thor had a show.
Mm-hmm.
And I was there. And Rich on McCoy came, but Rich on McCoy tried to play both sides.
Mm-hmm.
So
He like this kind of like.
yeah, so he just like, bro, man, I don't care how serious it is, bro. Kill try to kill anybody, bro. He told me to call Max and tell her, trick her down here so he can kill her.
Just to get back into the.
Yeah, he said, like, he want to kill somebody that way gonna hurt. What the hell? Do what he's saying. Rich on the corner, you bond him out of jail. Lucha ain't gonna pay his bond. They said he mad at Lucha, because Lucha ain't pay his bond.
Why? Why Lucha ain't pay money?
But what don't make sense, let's say, okay, what word did we get, right? Somebody said that Kel was called over there to the house after they got shot up.
So Lucha Manga?
Yeah.
We heard. Lucha Mama house got shot up. Kel pulled up with the guns. They was coming to the tree. Kel pulled up with the guns in the car. And police walked up, searched the car, found the gun, locked him up.
But why
was he there? Who brought him there?
I don't know.
Lucci Mama house. Kel, come. Who brought him to Lucci Mama house? Like,
do you just hang out in the driveway? I don't know.
They probably, you know.
So if that's the case, and then he got locked up, why did Lucci want to pay his bond? You know what I'm saying? And I basically
Called you and said, yo, my house got out my town.
check on.
And then the red Camaro Lucha got
Yeah.
the same color that ran around. They shot my girl mama's house up. They Lucha Cup. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't get it. You know what I'm saying? They got my name on so much stuff. Like people that come and tell us, they tell us little bit, then they start talking about it's me. You know what I'm saying? Like my girl, she get a lot of information from her friends. She got a lot of friends, so they get around me. Lucha and them was talking in the studio, and there was a girl in there. Miss one of them, and she my girlfriend, and she said that they know I can do it. Nothing. You know what I'm saying? They was all like Kill and K Rubs, man. You know what I'm saying?
Kill who?
K.
Who's that?
I sent you pictures there to them. I think I sent to those pictures. They had chop on in the picture.
Oh, yeah. And the gym was in the car.
Yeah, them two Rubs, man, and they supposed to came back. They was talking about the studio. You know what I'm saying? They just put my name on it. They called me up.
Make it seem like they ain't got beef in the streets, whatever.
Yeah, and then they like, she be like, they know what they do it, you know what I'm saying? But they gonna keep playing on him, and she be like, K, when the nut got killed, K first one called everybody like, who killed Nut? Who killed Nut? Tell them on there what it is. He's the first one started my name, and they like, Kill went along with it. So they had Jerry Ross, like, then they did, like, Nut died, then they started.
That same day?
I don't know when. They like they just Ross, man, and they supposed to be coming back for them. You know what I'm saying? Like Kill Ross flat, plug flat. He robbed one of them. Like, and then like you had somebody broke in that car and gave me the phone and the jury. But when I realized I was sick, you know what I'm saying? What the hell? Ain't nothing shit. But I called him this. Hey man, I got your shit right here. Pull up on. He come pull up on me. But before I gave back to him, I already get 10 minutes. And he was texting the kid like, come on, bro, I introduce you to these folks, bro. You just took them out. And he was like, he sent a big paragraph, kid just saying like, man, nigga, look, you know what's up? You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I'm out here, nigga, you ain't doing it for me. Yeah. Cause this one reading, you know what I'm saying? So, nuts and big paragraph, more paragraph. Kid like, man, like, he ain't say back, like, man, nigga, fuck you, whatever, bro, you know what I'm saying? But nut pull up. That one because you don't nobody know you. You know what I'm saying? Nut pull up. Him and Grease. Man, nut got each other. Like right here, your stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? Right. He like, how you get it, bro? I ain't want to tell him. One of the young niggas on the vehicle in the car. Right. How I got it. Right. So he's like, shit, man. You know, nigga just ran across. Gave him his necklace, his chain with a little peanut on it. Yeah. Gave him that back, his phone, and his ID. Gave him the ID back another day. Because they know it. You know what I'm saying? And then we went back and found him. Gave back his phone. You know what I'm saying? I gave him that stuff. He pulled up on me, no problem.
So at that point, you don't think he had no beef with you. If you did, you would have kept the shit and kept it moving.
No, I didn't lie. Right. Yeah. But Greedy knows. You feel what I'm saying? But he just gonna go around here. You know what I'm saying? But cause Greedy pulled up right with him. And come think like Greedy did pull up in that same Grand Park. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
When he pulled up on you with Nut that night, he was in there about.
Yeah. Nut pulled up in the green truck, bad in. I was standing right there in front of him. Yeah, tower. Greedy pulled in, so I see second couple. I'm like, damn, what the hell?
Like breaking.
Yeah, like, damn, I said, yeah, pull right there. He's like, nah, they Greedy. You know what I'm saying? Greedy got the car. It was nothing big riding around. Both one got out.
What is Vic's role?
Huh?
Vic.
What's that?
What did he do?
Kill do, boy, in my eyes. So,
Is that gray Impala like this color gray?
it's great. Y'all found this color.
Or is it like silver gray?
You throwing me out, man.
Nah, you know how silver look, like bright silver. Or is it like dark gray?
It's about that gray. About this gray. About that gray. Yeah. With 10 windows. I knew it was the same color that flew out. Yeah. What the hell? You know what I'm saying? But I ain't think back then that it was greedy. Right. But when I described the car, people like, hey, greedy.
How long before that night when y'all was at that hotel and they shot at you and your brother?
You know,
Listen, y'all was in there an hour. How long after that girl went to the bathroom to make that call?
I'm gonna tell you exactly what they did. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Go ahead.
We was in there, right? So I was sitting on the bed. Then we figured we'd go and cut short. I didn't see her going there. Shannon seen her going to the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? So Shannon called up. Shut up, who you got on with? But they were young. Yeah. But I ain't know until we left. So I'm sitting on the bed. Like, man, shit, boys, I'm telling you, man. They ease up, they go. Yeah. But he did everything, even for food up, laughing Jones. So I just get up, walk out. I thought, oh, damn, he ain't right behind me. I called, like, man, come on, let's go. So Shannon them called, come out, and tell Boo them, come on. But they tell Boo them, come on. I got the elevator, I'm standing on the elevator. Man, what take you so long? Shannon be right, like, man, they telling these hoes, so I feel like the girl was stalling them. Yeah. They was talking to them 10 minutes outside this room. And they told them to get fucked. Yeah. They finally came down the elevator, we went down. Boo them still up there. We seen them come. Yeah. So Boo them finally come out. They go get in their car. When they get in their car, we find each other. Well, I'm finding them. So I'm like, why the hell they ain't go right here and get on the spread with him? So I was like, shit, I know Boo know what he's doing. So we going all the way around.
What you mean when you say y'all went all the way around?
Like, we could turn right and carry on Mariana Marquise. We went to the left, could turn right. And got straight. HOD lane. Got on right there. But they kept going. We went like going to a, Fulton stuff. Yeah, we went straight up, got right behind the hospital, left up, went right, in front of the hospital. Came by KBP, down the spur right there. Pretty Parkway. So we got on the spur right there, I'm looking back.
Y'all just went in like good.
Basically. But I'm doing right. But I feel like I ain't no Boo Cut got some like, man, any Boo shit is up, bro. Like, I'm like, but Boo Con, like, they think my cutter get shot. They thinking we heard them, we let them get shot.
Right.
But then Shannon like, when we got my brother house, my brother like talking to the police, Shannon like, bro, bullshit, bro.
What's her name?
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
I got her number too, bro.
What is it?
My phone cut off. So she called me like,
Charge back up. Make sure you give me that number.
yeah, she called me so much. Like, she called me a lot about nothing. Yeah, and text me like, when everybody thought did. Yeah. She text me like she loved me, this and that and everything. So I called Monday, then his girlfriend. Yeah. Like, bro, your girl just set me up, bro. She like, ooh, I'm like, Bush. I could call you, babe. He hang up. I ain't say nothing else. She called, babe, like, but she said, Shannon know who she was on the phone with. I can go home. You gonna go and get me? I just told you what happened. Go burn. That ain't no. Another number called my phone. I know. Hello? It's Brianna. Who is that push nigga Shannon, this nigga? Shannon know who this is? She said, go blood on Shannon. So I'm like, what the hell Shannon got? Like, then I hang up. So she said, what I tell her is I got shit, man. So like, I ain't say Shannon, said I did. She like, yeah, tell Shannon, she like, y'all fuck nigga know what it is, y'all don't want this shit, this and that and that. Like, stuff, like, so I said, this ain't Shannon. She said, I know exactly where you live. I ain't say nothing back to her. Bush still ain't called her shit there, nothing. Not to this day, she still ain't said nothing to me. I'm like, damn, she ain't calling me. So Yak ain't even called her. Right. I'm like, damn. Then I'm like, and Yak and Thor was together. So I'm like, then they doing Thor called me like, but I gotta get out of here, bro. After all this shit happened. So I'm like, fuck. You know what I'm saying? But
This weird shit started happening.
yeah, so, and then Yak, he ain't called, the man called me too. And then Thor want, like, if Thor called, he'll call that Blue. I'm like, pull up on me, brother, and talk to you. That nigga when he come, what the hell? You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Weird
So I
shit.
said, I'm like, damn, bro, yeah, like, you don't fuck with me, bro. Like, you show me out this side. I mean, these niggas dead. And he said that, like, man, go get on with all this, and that. Like, but don't say genuine. But usually he be like, pull up right here. Yeah. You know, I pull up. And then I go to your house, and that nigga don't say none of that. So I'm like, oh, yeah, that nigga. Like, bro, if you ain't fucking with me, just say you ain't fucking with me, man. And then he don't say that. And then he'll get a car and Luke, they had a sister in the car. Cause his sister and them got me, they call out Luke. What you doing, bro? I'm sitting in his house. Like, yeah, this and that. So I'm like, man, I don't know the truth. I don't know what it is.
How did you start hanging with Doug? Like, when did y'all become cool like that?
Good question.
I'm just saying, like, all of a sudden, when did you just start being on the plane with him?
Let me think. He took me up to the studio. We started hanging at the studio.
I mean, when did you start hanging?
Then he man, I don't know how y'all get it.
How you doing?
And somebody started trying me, and he you should be able to get off of it. If you start a trial, goddamn,
Yeah. So basically, EI linked up with Tick. You linked up with Tick through EI, and then
I leave a lot of name and him, but
I mean, but you and Lil D still cool. Not to be down, but I was Lil D.
which one?
Quindarius. Lil D from Cleveland.
Man,
I'm just telling you word on here.
man, that nigga, man, we not cool. We just, he ain't with Boo. You know what I'm saying? And Boo make it fun.
Yeah.
Like, we go around Boo, they gambling. You know what I'm saying? Like, he ain't mind us hanging around.
Right.
So, like, he's the only person that ain't mind us being around him. Until he said the sleep shit last night, I ain't want to go around no more. So, like, he sleep training him because he said 20,000, so.
Well, who you gonna hang with from the Ville besides the weekend? This year? Yeah.
Like now?
Yeah, but I mean, everybody locked up.
Man, besides Shannon and D, you ain't gonna see me hang with nobody.
So is it a place that they want you?
No, that's what I said. I think I be leaving all the time. Everybody else like, it's not one time me and D not together. Me and D together no matter what. Just like DD. We work together. You know what I'm saying? We not doing that.
Who killed me?
2137.
And are we getting close to the end of this one?
No, I may have miscalculated my time, so
Okay, so no,
No.
we've got,
probably about approximately an hour.
left? You definitely miscalculated. Okay, all right, let's stop for the day then. All right,
Can I go?
yes, be back here at 9 in the morning.
I don't get no sleep, Jay. Can I come like at 10, maybe?
Sorry. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give y'all an idea about scheduling moving forward. What I am planning to do is, for the most part, be here from 9 a.m. to 5 to 5:30. Obviously, it kind of depends on what a witness is saying if we're about to wrap up. But I am not going to be able to accommodate regular leaving early. I mean, if there is some specific one day XYZ is going on, please raise it. But I can't just be like, oh, we're going to quit at 2 every Tuesday or something like that. I mean, I can't do that. We've got too much to get through here. So I know y'all already had been given all of next week off. So y'all will be out August 19th through 23rd. We are also going to be out Thursday and Friday, August 29th and 30th. And then obviously Monday, September 2nd, that's Labor Day, weekend, Labor Day. We will definitely be out. November 11th is Veterans Day. That's a county and state holiday, I think. And then assuming we're still going Thanksgiving, at least Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, November 27th, 28th, and 29th.
Can you spell that?
You want me to repeat that one?
This is
Okay.
second after the
So November 11th and then November 27th through 29th. And out December 23rd through January 1st. I'm not saying that is the only days we'll be out, but those are the ones I know of right now. But generally speaking, it's going to be a 9 to 5 or 5:30 schedule so that we can maybe not be here by Christmas and New Year's. I don't know. But anyway, so wanted to let y'all know those dates that I know right now. And then I want to remind y'all that you all need to decide the case based only on the evidence that you hear in this courtroom and the law that I'm going to give to you. And what that means is don't conduct any of your own research about the case. Don't visit any places. Don't try to find out anything from the internet or any other source about the case or about anybody involved in the case or about the law. And do not watch or listen to or read any accounts of this trial that might be in any news media, online, print, television, radio, social media, any of that. Stay away from all of that. And remember, don't discuss the case with anybody or allow them to discuss it with you. And that includes amongst yourselves until you get to the deliberations phase. Remember to leave your notes and notebooks in the jury room. Remember to wear your juror badges when you're coming to and leaving from the courthouse and any time that you're in or around the courthouse, okay? Thank you for your attention today, and we will see y'all at 9 in the morning. All right, y'all can be seated. I think we just went up there. It went out and it's back. Okay, anything we need to think about before or put on the record before we see each other at 8:45 in the morning?
Your Honor, we just want to make sure that the June redactions are okay, because we plan on going from February 21st to the June redaction, so we want to make sure we don't have any issues with that.
I don't know. Have y'all had a chance to look at those? Okay, y'all endeavor to look at those tonight and let Ms. Hilton know as soon as you can if there are any issues, and think through what all we might be doing tomorrow and the next day, and think about issues that might arise with whatever that is that we're doing tomorrow and the next day. And I'm just going to run through what I've got on my list for us to tackle next week while the jury is out. And remember, Monday will start at noon. Tuesday will start at noon. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be regular, all day days. And this is in no particular order other than how I jotted it down. We have Mr. Nichols' motion to exclude the late identified co-conspirator statements. And Mr. Harvey, you weren't with us yesterday, but I wanted you, if you can, to identify which those are. And if you can do that now, that'd be great.
Well, I think I don't know what the answer was yesterday, but
the answer yesterday was, we're not really sure.
Okay. Well, the motion was directed towards the same argument we've had, generally speaking, before. Number one, we went through all of this last year in November of 2023. Judge Glanville said, well, give us what you intend to introduce as co-defendant, as co-conspirator statements 801D2E.
Right.
The state provided 3. And again, I'm just repeating myself. So our motion was a renewed motion to say, look, anything they've given us now in August of 2024 should be excluded. So it's kind of global.
All right. Can I ask a little more specifically? I know that they had just provided or identified statements that were within the wiretaps?
Yes.
Is it those?
And it is, among others, that's included in anything, and we'll make that more specific since we just got that. But our first, plan A is, hey, Judge, don't let them use any of that. Plan B is we'll be more specific with regard to what we consider to be inadmissible in the wiretap, and that may take some time.
Okay. So other than what's in the wiretaps, are there other co-conspirator statements that you believe are only, now late identified?
I think there may be some jail calls.
Okay.
Not of Mr. Nichols, but of others.
All right. I need you to be real specific in the next couple of days and get something filed by close of business Friday that identifies exactly what. And if it is everything that they just gave you and identified as the wiretap stuff, I mean, that's fine. You'll know what that is. If there's anything else, let me know that. And then you don't have to file, but if you can put together something sort of like, what I think Mr. Shart had it can be in an email, but something, and Mr. Steele had, I think, filed a motion. I don't care how you do it, but just give me and them something that is, okay, it's this part of this statement for this reason. And then I'll, of course, hear from them to establish whether it is, in fact, satisfying the evidentiary rules or not. But so that next week we can target and be targeted about what we're dealing with. Can you do that for me?
I will give it we will give it our best efforts.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
Yes.
can I just comment on that with Mr. Harvey? See, Mr. Harvey, I was helping him open these files on his computer, which he doesn't fully understand.
He's old school.
Yeah, I know, he's old school, so I had to, so in these files that the state has sent us,
Right.
and there's, and I mentioned this the other day, there's somewhere between 150 and 200 calls. And they're like, not all, but some of them are 5 minutes, some of them are 15 minutes. And then they're wiretap calls.
Yeah.
Some of them are longer than that. And to the extent that we're supposed to, we're going to follow what Your Honor says, but the reality is you're asking us to identify things
that you don't even know if they're going to use.
We don't.
Yeah. Okay.
That's just the whole point. We haven't been put on notice.
So then we don't exactly have from the state, because I don't know if I got copied on it, but if I did, I didn't look at it yet because that's not really my job. So y'all have said, here's this 15-minute phone call. Y'all haven't said statement where so-and-so says XYZ at minute 5. Is that right? You've just said, here's the entirety of this.
That's correct. We've identified, obviously we've given them the information 2 years earlier, but we have identified specific calls that contain co-conspirator.
Okay. But you have not yet identified within the call, here's the co-conspirator statement that I intend to introduce.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
All right. Which makes that a whole lot more difficult for everybody. So then it needs to get specifically, particularly identified so that they can then know, okay, yeah, this is, or this is not, or here's what the issue is with it. And we're going to be deciding it next week. So, all right, then you can hold off on until you get what they actually are identifying as, here is the actual statement we assert to be a co-conspirator statement that we intend to use. Think also about whether y'all intend to use it, not just could it pass as one. Okay. All right. So that's one thing. We are going to do the motion in limine regarding the PowerPoint. The state is going to get to the defense what y'all actually propose to use. You mentioned yesterday if there's some Some slides you won't use at all. Some slides you won't have the writing on them. So get what you actually think you intend to use to them so that we can deal with that. We've got Mr. Ryan's motion to suppress the statement because of the incomplete Miranda. If y'all think that there is some law under which y'all can get parts of that statement in, I'm going to need to know that before Monday. We have Mr. Ryan's motion, which may have just gotten filed today, to exclude what they assert to be 404B bad act evidence that they allege is not really intrinsic evidence. So we'll deal with that issue. Mr. Huey's motion to exclude a photo ID by somebody, and the name's escaping me right now, but somebody who is since deceased. So if y'all think there's a way to get that in, I need that law also. The wiretap evidence, is that the same thing as the co-conspirator statements, or are there other portions of the wiretap universe that are also going to potentially come in?
There are other parts of the wiretap universe that are potentially coming in, and additionally, there are, in addition to the wiretap co-conspirator statements, as we mentioned yesterday. There were social media and phone dump data that we intended to provide as well prior to Friday with specifics.
Okay. All right. And then I believe somebody said they intended to file, but I didn't see anything filed yet. And maybe I'm not remembering this wrong, but there was a Bruton issue about somebody's statement. Y'all were going to try to figure out whether you could just redact it satisfactorily yourselves. So that's something we'll deal with next week. Okay. And then I have a note down that there was one portion of, I believe, the January 6th statement that has not yet been played. January 6th, am I right on that, or January 10th? January 10th statement by Mr. Copeland. What was the date? Whatever the not January, y'all, I'm sorry, June 10th? June 6th?
June 10th.
June 10th statement that there had been an objection that there was some, comment about him having a gun, and maybe it was him, maybe it was somebody else. And the issue of if it was character evidence when it's a convicted felon that you're saying has the gun, and somebody was going to get me law, and I never got any law. So if y'all still are concerned about that issue, that needs to get taken care of probably first thing in the morning, since that statement's going to get played tomorrow. And if you want to find something and email it tonight, that's fine. And then if we get around to it, maybe we can go over the list of the exhibits and what has been admitted and what hasn't. I think that is an awful lot to tackle next week. I think we're going to have a busy week. I hope we can get through all of that. Maybe not the exhibit list, but it's still out there to be tackled as well. So I want us to be ready to go on whatever those arguments are next week. I don't want next week for y'all to say, oh, I hadn't really gotten to that yet. Okay? All right. Anything else?
Your Honor,
yes.
I think we're going to be filing a motion either late Friday or well, I should say not Friday. So it'll be a motion to suppress the first 2 hours of Mr. Hendrick's statement. So I don't know when the court wants to have that.
Okay. Why are these things just now being filed?
It's ready to argue, but.
Well, then, has it not been decided?
Some of it has, and there's something we are asking the court to consider.
To what?
There's something new that we're going to be asking the court to consider.
Okay. Do you want to keep it under wraps, or do you want to give me a hint?
I think the argument is going to be, and my co-counsel, Mr. Weinstein, is going to be Mr. Weinstein will be the one drafting and
Okay.
it, so I don't want to.
You do want to keep it under wraps. You want it to be like, boom.
So essentially what we're arguing is that at the time that he gave that statement, we've learned that a attorney had been appointed to Mr. Kendrick and had filed something with the court. And so the state was aware that he was represented at the time and failed to notify that lawyer that he was being interviewed.
Okay.
And so that is the crux of our argument with respect to the first 2 hours.
All right. And what date is that statement? October 6, 2015.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
And Your Honor, my understanding is the remainder of the statement has already been suppressed by the court.
Yes.
But it has come to our attention that he had legal representation on it. There was a public defender, and we sort of worked on tracking down that court filing and who that public defender is.
Okay.
So that's why we are now filing this. But we will,
Okay. And can I ask, was that public defender appointed with regard to any of the charges that are in this indictment, even if they're overt acts?
I don't. Yes. I'm just asking. There's also another motion we're filing, Your Honor, to limit, to humbly, respectfully ask this honorable court to limit the length of the state's case and the number of witnesses that they call.
Okay, well, I am definitely going to get to the at least encouraging them to hone their case and cull their witness list and be targeted and focused, which frankly would be best for them anyway, I would think. But I'm not going to tell them that because of that. I'm going to tell them that because, this just can't go on forever.
We're going to cite some law in court.
All right. That'll be great. I'll be looking forward to that motion.
Thank you.
Okay. So how you're going to get the motion to suppress filed by tomorrow? End of day tomorrow?
Today's Wednesday. Right?
Today's Wednesday.
Given that this has been going on for 2.5 years, I now lose track of days.
I understand. I
But
know.
even though I'm not here most days, I still maybe that's an age thing. But I think we're going at the latest. I think we can e-file it over the weekend.
Oh no. You already said by close of business Friday, and so now over the weekend, no.
I'm getting live text messages from my co-counsel.
Who's saying don't promise, don't overpromise?
Well, he's in federal court in Southern District today, and tomorrow he's.
Then you may just have to take it because I need it filed so that I can take a look at it because we've got a lot on our plates and it may not be as beautifully written as he would write it.
I will urge him to get that work done.
All righty. Thank you. Okay. What else?
Can I just ask a procedural question? I plan on using some exhibits, so I want to turn them over before when the state finishes direct, and I want to give Ms. Winfrey, the great court reporter, thumb drive and a hard copy, and then everybody a digital copy or a hard copy if they want.
Okay.
But I just want to understand when the state is estimating finishing. That's all I.
That's a great question. What do y'all think?
Estimating finishing this witness.
This witness, Mr. Copeland. If you can give us an estimate of when you're going to finish the state's case, I'd be interested in that also.
Ideally, again, the ideal is still on Friday, Your Honor.
Okay, so you don't think that you will be finished with your direct of Mr. Copeland before sometime? You think you'll be directing him all day tomorrow? I'm just trying to make sure I'm clear on what you're saying.
The June statement is about 8 hours.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if that takes up most of the day on tomorrow, then Friday would be when we would like to be done with Mr. Copeland.
So, I understood that. I thought that might be more clear. I just want to know, is it Friday like morning? Or are we talking about Don't worry about it. I just have to get all this. That's all.
Do you
Probably
anticipate
Friday all day. I mean, I think that we will finish him up. The goal is to finish him on Friday. I can't tell you if it'll be Friday morning.
All right. So you think all day tomorrow will be pretty much taken up with the last two the end of this one and then the June statement, and then you plan to still direct him for all of Friday.
Could we still have some jail calls to answer, Your Honor? And we still have.
Okay.
We have jail calls to answer for sure. So.
From 2021, Ms. Fulton, or is that not?
Yeah, I mean, y'all had said it's only like some portions of 5 jail calls.
No, the jail calls, we've redacted what comes out, but it is, each of them are about 15 minutes.
Right, but it's 5 jail calls,
yes,
right?
It's only 5 jail calls.
Okay.
And the October 21st interview, it is not my intention to play the October 2020, not through this witness at this time.
Okay. So, I mean, I think, we can maybe optimistically think after lunch Friday, you might get to him, but certainly not in the morning, it sounds like.
I just don't want anybody to think I sandbag. If October 21 is not going to be addressed with Mr. Copeland, I'm just asking the court to keep in mind, I will be objecting then if it's not a proper foundation of a prior and consistent statement.
Okay, I didn't even know there was an October 21st statement. So.
It's October 2021.
Okay.
He has a lot of statements.
Okay.
He does. So we intend to ask him questions about it, but in brevity, we may play it if it is inconsistent with the detective who did the interview.
But we would inquire.
We would question him about it.
Well, you'd have to.
Right. And then we would play it later because we understand Mr. Copeland has been on for quite a time.
Later? What do you mean? Later in his testimony?
No, play it through another witness. Play it through the detective who questioned him. So play his prior inconsistent statement through the detective versus through him.
Depending on
613 that's not a procedure with 613, no.
Yeah. You can confront him with the questions here, and then you can bring in the interview later. We don't have to bring the interview in through Mr. Copeland, but we do have to confront him with what was asked. Yes, we need to do that, but we don't have to play it through Mr. Copeland.
We've done that a number of times throughout this trial.
Over objection.
We've done it
All right.
outside of this trial.
Okay. So you've got your answer to that. All right. Anything else before we adjourn for the day?
Your Honor, as far as our intrinsic acts that we've noticed defense counsel about, I don't think that there was a 403 analysis that has been done on all of them. So at some point, if we could just add that to the list of things to do next week.
Okay. So has there been any kind of hearing on the intrinsic acts?
Partially. The first 3, maybe. And I don't want to say with certainty. It's only because we've actually addressed more than the first 3. We've introduced probably beyond that, maybe at least 3 beyond the first 3. I don't know.
Well, then I guess the 403 analysis has been done for those if they were admitted. All right. Well, whatever other intrinsic acts that a 403 analysis has not yet been done and have not yet been admitted and are not otherwise covered in Mr. Ryan's motion, please identify them.
No, we've identified them. It's just that the analysis.
Give us a list give me a list of which ones they still need to be done for.
Understood.
So that I know what to make a ruling on.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Can I just make sure I'm on the same page as Ms. Love? When you say the intrinsic acts that you've given notice of, are you referring to the November 6, 2023 filing?
I would have to make certain, Mr. Sharp. I believe that's possible. I know that there were things that happened since the start of this trial that may have been added to an initial list. So
I'm looking at a list of 51 intrinsic acts.
So it is that list, and then there are 2 additional acts that are not on that list that's happened as a result of trial. So they would be 2023 acts. I thought we updated it last week. I just need to confirm. But we added 2 additional, but that's the 2020.
Yeah, I think those might be covered in Mr. Ryan's motion, but. Okay, what else?
Sorry, Your Honor, I've conferred with Mr. Weinstein by text. We are stretched very thin. He will get those filed, but they will be filed this weekend. I apologize. There's no way for us to physically, unless we just write 2 sentences, which I don't,
It's fine with me.
Well, I think
Brevity, y'all are always encouraged to be as.
we will be brief, and